We celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month here at Forest Grove. During the Hispanic Heritage Month Assembly, there's a lot of things going, a lot of planning. We start our assembly with calling out the names of each country. This has been very significant for many students. I walk the hallways and they say, I like when my country was called and I was able to get up. We had a community group, Guanaquitas de San Pablo. They are from El Salvador and they do traditional dances. We also had students from our orchestra performing a song from the movie Coco. We also take the assembly to give out prizes for the winners of the poster contest. We're very excited this year because we had more community involvement. The kids were super happy and excited. That was a big motivation for kids to participate. Our city is very multicultural city, and highlighting stories like Mercedes Paris, who is Venezuelan, came to this country, who learned English and now she works in Telemundo, is an example for our kids, no matter the backgrounds, because we face like the same challenges. And hopefully this event kind of highlights how we could overcome obstacles. They could feel represented. If they did it, I could do it. That's the idea of spreading awareness of different culture and accepting different points of view.
Muchas gracias.
From all students and staff at Forest Grove, we just want to say